Hello everybody and welcome back to Answer Studio, and in this tutorial we're just going to be designing a simple iconic logo. So to get started, we're just going to go to the ellipse tool, just click on it. If there's a rectangle there, you can just hold it down so you can come to get the ellipse, but mine's ellipse, so just click on it. And then we're going to hold down shift and we're going to draw this ellipse out, just make it, just for now we're just going to make it big, but we don't actually need it big. Okay. No, I've just flipped it so it's so the inside is turned grey and the outline is turned white. But now I'm gonna take the outline away because I don't really want the outline. Now copy and paste using Control C, Control F, and hold down Shift and click the right arrow key just a bit so it could turn so it could push out like this. Now what we're gonna do is really simple. We're just gonna go select on them, and select off, and we'll go to the pen tool. We're going to click on one side, one of the circles, and then we're going to hold down shift to make sure the line is straight, and we're going to click on the other circle. Right? Sorry about that. Hold down shift, and then the other circle. Right. So see. Okay, and then you go to the pencil again and just, well, just click at the top of the circle, and then you move the mouse to the top of the other circle, and then you just click there. But then you pull it, you hold down and pull, till it gets this perfect sort of round shape in the middle. And let go, click it again, come to the bottom of this circle and the bottom of this circle. Make sure you find out what the angle is, but that will be the exact spot we want to hit. And we're going to round it, make it perfectly behind it, and then click that. Okay. Now, this is a simple way of designing it, but we're not done. Now we're just going to make these loops little bigger. Don't leave anything messed up. Get it once, so that alt and drag it. We're gonna work on this one. We're just gonna have to fix it up a little. So go to the direct selection tool, and then we're just gonna select on one of the anchors and just move it up so it's right on the edge. Same with the other one. Make sure it's right on the top of it. Okay. Want it to look like it's really there, really coming out of the shape. So click. Okay. So what we're going to do is just hold down and go to the rectangle tool. Just go to the rectangle over half of it, and then we're going to select on this half, select on both of them, and then we're going to just cut it out like this, and we only have this half. So we're going to do is we'll see Control F, and then we're going to flip it, take it left, circle. Okay. See now what we're doing right now is just figure out how it would look best. So let's just try and imagine this, and then I'm going to do some copy and paste again. This time I'm going to flip it upside down, flip it down a bit, so it's equal on both sides. Merge. And what we do here, because as you can see, there's extra pieces sticking out, use the direct selection tool to take them in. So just click on all of them, bring it up. Okay, this one isn't really going as well, so just delete it. And we have this one. So what we're going to do with this one is to start with a move it, and we're going to duplicate it again. Now we're going to click Control C, Control F. Duplicate it, not get it second time, but we're going to move it. And we're going to go to the rotator and rotate it to around 50. try to do it straight. Okay, right, we have this. Let's just delete this and let's try to fix this up. I'm not happy with the way it looks. Don't find that. So I got that. It's just an accident. Use this. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. Just gonna try and make it skinnier. Push it down. We'll shift for both sides. Piece as well. Now we have this simple shape. Let's just try it. The sound we want to have is we want it to look like it is really coming out of this and it's not an added shape. That's exactly how we want this effect that we're putting on it to look. So that's what I'm working on right now. That looks more realistic. Just try and make it skinnier. See. Now what we're gonna do is just gonna align them all. Straight line. Okay. Now select on all of our objects. Click on Z. Bring them up. We can merge one just so it's one shape, or we can just group it, duplicate it. Now what we're gonna do is Control C, Control F, twist it a bit like this, place it a bit round, this. Okay, now we're gonna and then when we go down here where it says offset bar, you can click it and -7. Okay, and then that makes it smaller. So if we click one. Ones are thicker, we're just gonna delete them. So it's skinnier. And now with these three circles, we're gonna bring them to the front. And like this. The beginner stated. First one thing. Okay. Now we're just going to put a nice little gradient. Select it. Yeah. Well, you can really do it either way, so I'm just going to duplicate it. Come over here. Wait. Now, right now, it doesn't look like this on top. So, have it now. That you can object. Look, copy and paste it. That. That. There. Got one. So right now, one. So back. Yeah. How it's supposed to look. I mean, that's how you show it in on the white background. Okay, we're just going to leave it that one. Now what we're going to do, we'll put a gradient on these. Now, okay, so this is a thumbnail of a tutorial you could find if you went to our channel, Usayd Studios. It's up and you can find it. M logo, Monday. Monday designs. If you want to design with it, how it's going to do is we're going to copy its gradient. So search on these two inside pieces. Well, we're going to click this second box here, which gives it first. Let's click on the fill, not the outline. We're going to fill gradient. Now over here is where you change the color. So we're going to click on this white piece, which is here. Click on color picker. Just change it to this light blue. The black piece will get changed to the darker blue. Yeah. Okay, now if you wanted to, we could redirect this gradient. I'm just going to redirect it down like that maybe. And same with all three of these. We're going to also give these a gradient, but not a blue gradient. We're going to give this orange gradient over here. So just click OK. And the light piece gets to light. Dark piece will get to dark. Now what I have right here is logo. Just cut these out. First, F. Then I'll show you what we're going to do after that. So let's just cut these. Then I'll okay, now that they're all cut, I'm just going to do this background. I don't know what that is. It must be from what we're designing for. But now that they're all cut, what we're going to do, as you can see on this, it has this nice line of extra effect to it. We're just going to try and drop that on this. So what Hal's done is go to pencil, split, bend. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, select on everything of our share icon, Control C, Control F, Control and C for this one. What we're going to do is we're just going to click on it and click on this. Click this one over here so it breaks out like that. And we're going to Control and F so it faces back. Do the same thing to this. Control and F. Do the same thing to this. Okay. So now with this, what we're going to do is just going to give it that gradient. Same with all of this. What's the piece for this? Work properly, so it's Control C, Control C, Control C. Eight, three, take that out. This one is being seen to copy as well as a class somehow. So let's go. So let's just first we're gonna paste it. So Control F. Click on this. Let's Control F. Okay. Now we're gonna give this blue, and we're gonna redirect it to the dark pieces where the light pieces, the light pieces where the dark pieces. It's a nice effect. You could drop something like this. Okay. Same with this. Already has the effect, the gradient. It's not really dropping on this as good as it drops on anything else. And there are a few reasons. There are a few reasons why. I believe. First, just going to finish this off. Uh, uh, with this, because it was probably how it is. Anyway. Okay. Well, it's not as good as it is on Monday Designs, and that's because it's not the same type of logo. So let's just delete this. What we're gonna do it a different way. We're gonna do it individually. So click here and just round like that. and then click circle, Control C, Control F, shift both, and break out. Now, we do this, there, round. This is just going to have to click it because it's already been copied from last time. So I can do it. So, break out, we go do this one. Back, so I'm just going to come up, down like this. It. So, Control C, Control F, copy. Save to everything. Do the same story. Okay, the same thing for everything, and just turn to curve. Thing happens over here. We don't actually need to change that. We don't really need to change this bottom circle. Yeah. We're just gonna do it from the fact that everything else has changed and it's all out of place now. C, Control C, Control F. Oh, yeah, Control C, Control F. Open this and I'm gonna change color to this. Now, here's what we have. This is a simple, not hard, but I guess it takes time. That's what things do when you're designing. Be aware that time is you're gonna have to take some time for it before you get it right. Let's try. As you see, I was trying to make these shapes for a while. And you got it right just now. So what this is a logo for if you want to have a share app or anything really, because yeah. Let's send this to the back. Change this color to this. If you fail to get this colors, then if you don't need to worry that much because we can print screen the screen. You can print screen the screen if you want to get the colors precisely. I'm just gonna zoom in so in case you can get them. So that's that light dark. Light dark. So if you print screen now when it's zoomed in, you'll get the colors clear. Light dark. Light dark. Okay, now zoom up. And that's a share app. I didn't put styling on this, but you know, you need to mind if you want a skinnier line here, you just have to put the same styling, or you can just do what we've done, which make the offset smaller and then the lines will get smaller. So that's the end of this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment if you have anything to say. And also subscribe and ring the bell because we're pumping out videos all the time. And don't forget to check out the channel. We have this Monday designs over here, which if you wanted to design, you can check out the channel and get that. Yeah, there's so many other tutorials in our channel, not just this one. So yeah, check out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in a subscriber, hopefully.